I'm so bored. 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 Oh no. I'm so bored. I'm so bored. Hey there, master. What's up? Hey there, master. What's up? Oh no, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. So bored. I'm so bored. I'm so bored. I'm so bored.
Stop.
Hey there, master. What's up? Hey there, master. What's up? Feed me, master. I am your new Mac. I must be fed. Now.
Now?
N-O-W-W-W-W-W.
What the smokes was that? Hello?
Hey, sweetie, are you home? Are you home?
No, Mom. I'm in the doctor's office.
Oh, don't. I told you we had a meeting today. I told you.
I know. No, I told you already. My Mac was talking to me.
Nonsense.
And I don't know if it was real or not.
Oh,
I don't know what's going on.
you taking your pills? You.
Yes. Yeah.
So,
Bye.
brain damage checkup?
Well, I'm home now. And, you're not talking anymore. I guess you're full now. I didn't even feed you. Can't believe I'm talking to a computer. This is so immature.
I'm hungry. We should grab some Chinese food. Yummy. Hey there, master. I heard your voice. Sorry, I was asleep. So where did you go?
Hospital.
Oh, is that so? I want to go there too. Yippee.
I should go to the hospital too.
Computer, you're just in my imagination. I know it. I know you're just in my imagination. I'm going to catch you soon. Whoever you are. Who are you, huh? One of my friends pranking me? You.